In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to hit additional settings. Then select one-handed mode, click on this switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!